Let me tell you, brother and sister, if you have health issues and if you want to just release your stress from work or environment, or you are very facing hard, harsh and tough situation, so I request you to enjoy the wonderful and amazing Canada and US Alaska, these shores and beaches which really will release your stress. Even though I came this morning, there was no water, now it's full, and I used using another area to go from here. It's amazing. Water is quickly reaching up. This is the accommodation. Cannot believe how quickly water go up. So there was no water at morning. Now it's huge.